Loves, welcome back to my channel, and today we are talking summer bags. And welcome to those who are my newbies, and welcome back to all of my old lovelies. Today I am outside giving all the sunshine and the gloriousness, and I want to share with you some of the pieces that I usually carry in the summer. Just some ideas that you can kind of, get for yourself, if you're traveling in summer, and just some cute things. Even if you're not traveling, you can kind of just use these pieces for just some cute little day trips and little brunches with your friends. So I want to start with this cute bag that I actually found, and it's simple. It holds all your essentials. So let me show you what it's for. The bag has like a gold strap on it, and it has like this little and it has like this accordion side, and as you guys can see, I just like have my little card case in here. I have my keys, I have some lip gloss, and some traveling snow goods, and oh guys, my earpods over at the beach here. And I love the long strap where you can kind of give it like a little cute crossbody feel. Hands-free, still able to look a little chic at the same time. So that is bag number one. Bag number two has a long strap on it, and it's like a rosy pink, and it has this little net that goes with it. And when I first purchased it, I didn't know that this net actually comes off as well, guys. So you probably can take like a cute little scarf and wrap your items in the scarf and still carry this with your little essentials, your sunscreen as well, everything that I had, your iPods. Just put it in a scarf. So with those things that I shared with you with the mesh bag, you just take all your things. Your vacation, you just add. You may not need your keys, but just carry your keys. Put your keys in here. Put your wallet in here. Again, you have the lip gloss, perfume, you have your AirPods. You just take the four ends and you wrap it up, tie it in a cute little knot, guys. So you have everything in here just like that. And you take your mesh bag, throw it in there, and now you are good to go, and none of your belongings will fall out of the holes. So this bag is like a 2-in-1. Here is the second part. So if you want to go out during the day with it, just put it over you. It's a nice neutral color. It kind of goes with anything. So once again, that's a 2-in-1 bag for the summer. my circular woven bag, and I love this little tassel. And I actually purchased this towards the end of the summer last year, so I kind of wore it maybe one time when I went to Miami, so didn't get much out of it. And I love it that it has this really long strap. It's not short, so you can kind of stuff everything in this one as well. He knows how I love these cute little woven kind of bags for the summertime, and I use it sometimes when I go to the produce and get veggies, or when I go get my fresh flowers. But it can also be my summer tote as well, which is really cute to kind of like haul at the beach too. You throw in so much stuff, which is not a good thing because I would tend to do that. You can have, as you can see, my shoes are in here, my camera's in here, some scarves in here, beach towel, your sunscreen, all of those essentials that you would need by the beachside with you all fit in this tote as well. Lastly, Luvs, is this bag. I forgot to bring it by the beachside with me when I was shooting this footage for you. And it is this wicker inspired bag. It kind of reminds you of the Little Red Riding Hood. And I purchased it from Zara at their summer sale last year, which is actually going on now. And it's really cute and chic. You can just put your sunglasses in it, your sunscreen, and head down to the beach. It's really lightweight. And the neutral color kind of goes with anything that you're going to wear at the beach. So this is one of my faves as well. Those are some of my summer essentials that I take with me to the beach, not to the beach, to the pool, or just hanging out, just being a little cutesy for the summertime. So I hope you enjoyed some of those pieces. Until next time, bye lovelies. But before you leave, please go and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so you'll be notified when I have new uploads. So talk to you soon. Thank you for joining me, and let's stay connected by subscribing to my channel and giving us a thumbs up. And until next time, bye lovelies.